French virologist and the medicine Nobel laureate Luc Montagnier has made explosive revelations regarding the origin of the coronavirus. Montagnier won the 2008 Nobel Prize for Medicine along with François Barson-Ussy and Harold Zerhorsen for the discovery of the human immunodeficiency virus HIV. Creating a scientific firestorm across the world, French virologist and the medicine Nobel laureate Luc Montagnier has claimed that saying that the deadly virus was manufactured in a laboratory in China's Wuhan. Montagnier alleged that an industrial accident was said to have taken place in the Wuhan National Biosafety Laboratory, which specializes in these coronavirus since early 2000s. During the podcast by Pourquoi Docteur, Professor Montagnier, who co-discovered HIV, claimed the presence of elements of HIV in the genome of the coronavirus and even elements of the germ of malaria are highly suspect. The exclusive report by the Fox News based on the unnamed sources claimed that though the stain of the virus occurs naturally in bats and is not a bioweapon, it was studied in China's infamous laboratory in Wuhan. The initial transmission of the virus was bat to human, the news channel alleged. It added that the patient zero worked at the laboratory. The lab employee was accidentally infected before spreading the disease among the common people outside the lab in Wuhan City. Montagnier's claims come at a time when the U.S. has alleged the possibility of the virus originating in a lab in China. The theory that COVID-19 was created in a Chinese lab and leaked out to the world has been making the rounds since its outbreak in December 2019. President Donald Trump also fired a fresh salvo when he warned China of consequences if it was knowingly responsible for the virus. China has refuted these allegations. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo said, "We're doing a full investigation of everything we can to learn how it is the case that this virus got out into the world and now has created so much tragedy, so much death here in the US and all around the world." He said the US knew that the Wuhan lab contained highly contagious materials. Montagnier had earlier published two controversial research studies: electromagnetic waves emitted by DNA and on the benefits of papaya in AIDS or Parkinson cure. Another French virologist, Simon-Lorière of the Institut Pasteur in Paris, however, rubbished Montagnier's claims. His claims does not make sense. These are very small elements that we find in other viruses of the same family, other coronaviruses in nature, Shine told. The theory that the COVID-19 originated from genetic manipulation has been circulating in social media for quite some time. However, China has refuted allegations that the coronavirus may have originated in a Wuhan laboratory. Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesman Zhou Lijian cited the World Health Organization chief and other unidentified medical experts as saying that there was no evidence that transmission began from the laboratory and there was no scientific basis for such claims.